I wouldn't be lying if I said I wasn't scared. Just a little scared. Just a little. I don't believe though. 218 is supposedly be the most haunted room in the whole hotel. Jim's looking for proof of ghosts. Stick around to the end. I think I did find something while I was editing footage. They talk about drawers opening on their own. I was laying on the bed and when I got up, the drawer was open. But we've noticed that if you walk by it, walk by it, Jim. Okay, maybe I gotta walk by it. And voila. You stomp by it, it opens on its own.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna debunk this because if somebody's walking by this and it's not quite, I'm putting that so it doesn't open up again. It will open on its own. So them talking about the tour that shows that it's drawers are opening. That's the reason why. They probably know.
No, they probably do.
Not saying this place isn't haunted yet.
I'm kind of curious, like the lady was talking about how
That
this
totally
dresser,
moved.
how it was moved from here to the middle of the walkway here. But this is fairly light.
Yeah, but I can't see how that would move.
I don't see why it would, or how. It has bad hinges on it. But
And the only other thing is when me and Jim were having our little snacks over here, there was like some weird sounds coming from the frequency coming from the radio. But that happens sometimes, like with a radio. And this was plugged in. We did our haunted tour. And it was entertaining, but I didn't really like it. I don't like tours anyway. But everything we heard, we knew already. So we're back in the room and we're just like hanging out, and Jim's like trying to freak me out because he's trying to get things to happen. Jim just found money in a drawer. Someone left like
I think it's a Canadian.
someone left a whole pile of money. Jim found. Is that Canadian or is it French?
It has the crown on it.
Oh, it's for the Queen.
Yeah.
Or is it Irish?
It could
For
be.
Michael.
It could be Irish. It was in this top drawer over here.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
Yeah.
So, whenever I opened this, that went and said close.
Sacrifice, it says now. So I guess I have to sacrifice you.
Well,
I don't know if we can rely on the iPhone app.
I
but
don't think so either. And now I have an ad that I have to watch.
Michael wants you to watch an ad.
It's not free.
We're cheap ghost hunters because we got to save up.
Oh, darkness. I have darkness now.
Mm-hmm.
So maybe Valerie will be not sleeping at all.
Left to go to the car to get a Mountain Dew and left me all alone in the room. So I figured if I put a camera on, if anything should happen, nothing will happen because I have a camera going. Makes perfect sense, right? So we'll just sit here and wait for him to come back. And just look around because nothing's gonna happen if I have a camera going. It's like the total like law of this. Mm-hmm. See? That dust, that little shiny thing? Glitter. Glitter's everywhere. A radio, and this was plugged in. So we'll just keep an eye on it for tonight. But that was the other weird thing, but one thing was debunked, and that's, I've had clock radios make weird sounds before.
On the tour, they were talking about Irish music being played and the lights doing some kind of weird
So we're
stuff.
gonna play some Irish music, and we can't, because of copyright, play it. If something happens, I'll film with no sound.
is
Actually, you can film just to take the sound out.
right.
There's glitter everywhere from the last people.
Yeah.
That means they didn't change the bed because there's glitter all over this. That's strange. Because I just walked over here, got some candy, and walked away, and the balcony's open. We're gonna have to try to debunk this because everything that's locked. So I've debunked 2 things so far from the tour. They said the drawer is open, and we figured that one out. This second one was the window. The door. When I opened the front door to see what happened, the door back here opened. So wasn't the part of it the balcony?
Yes.
They said the balcony
The
the shutters and the balcony door just wide open. Take that latch off again on the bottom. I'm sorry for all the ghost lovers out there. Is that off?
Yeah.
So I did when I opened the door. It didn't do it that time though.
No.
Okay, so maybe that'd be weird then. Okay, I guess that might not be it. Yeah, it's opened a little bit. It wasn't quite as open as before.
Okay.
But definitely didn't have this chain on.
It would, yeah, it would open
It
all
would
the way.
open up all the way, just like
Yeah.
they claim
Like that.
Michael opens it.
But the foot pedal down here, the foot lock down here,
Yeah, I hate to
keeps
debunk
it
for
completely
everybody,
locked.
But so far, 2 of the scary things that happen have reasons to be.
Unless we go to bed and
Michael pecks my head.
things start unhooking themselves.
And Michael comes and pecks my head till I fall asleep.
Yeah, because I won't do that.
And then maybe someone will kick you in the back. Oh, that could be me. I don't take pet blankets ever, though.
No.
So far, 2 things.
And we're going to keep going at it and seeing.
It's still early.
It's only 9:45 right now.
Jim has us out here looking around the building in the middle of the night. I could have stayed in the room by myself, but it's really nice night. It's the temperature's a little cool, but it's not cold. It's nice. It's a gorgeous night. It is kind of cool looking though in the dark, isn't it? If anybody sees anything, let us know in the comments. If you hear heavy breathing, that's Jim. It's really cool though. No one's in there. That little green dot is always on my camera. I'm not sure what it is.
It's kind of weird they're having a wedding on Monday.
The little dots of light are my camera.
I was down here earlier.
When we wake up, Jim says he had it latched on the bottom. And this is open. We slept really. I didn't record. Okay, so this is closed. And you did that last night too, right?
Yeah, last night I put it all the way down like this. And if it pulled up, it'll swing open.
But you had it down latched.
I had it latched all the way like that.
Okay, so it's latched now. Okay, so babe, we're about to check out. How'd you sleep last night?
I slept pretty good.
There was one thing when I woke up this morning that was kind of off, and maybe Mike made his presence. But we're on our way to the cat sanctuary, and we're gonna go have some fun there.
Play with kitties.
Play with the big cats. I don't think they let us play with the cats.
No, we can try.
But we just watched the movie Beast, so let's just hope it doesn't turn into a horror movie. We might just have more scares there than here.
I don't know. I think it'll be enjoyable.
We'll have fun.
Yep.
Okay.